everyone, and Happy New Year. It's Toni. Now this is my favorite time of the year, the beginning of the year, as I go over all my emails and my Facebook messages, my posts, and you guys have sent me some really incredible, beautiful stuff. I love to see the work that you've done from the projects that we do on this show. So I want to take this opportunity to start the new year off right by highlighting your work. And I can't wait to show you. It's really great. You've done such a great job, and I'm so excited. So let's see all the work that you've done over the past year. Now this year I'm highlighting the top 5 projects you guys worked on, and number 1 is paper flowers. Look at the beautiful white hydrangeas Notty made to go with this pumpkin bouquet. She also made these intricate pink ones using cardstock. As always, Notty, these are beautiful. And speaking of beautiful flowers, number 2 is floral arrangement and table settings. Alberta made this bright, festive, colorful arrangement for a fall table, and this elegant, beautiful holiday piece for a Christmas table. Alberta, I can really tell you have a talent for making the holidays bright. Don't ever stop decorating. Number 3 is mosaic art. Now, I get really excited when I get pictures from Lisa. She searches for glass beads and beautiful antique dishes from thrift stores and arranges pieces together to make the most beautiful, exquisite bird baths you've ever seen. I love it, Lisa. The birds must be coming from miles around to spa in your beautiful yard. Number 4 is my leaded glass holiday wreath. Carmen made this lovely leaded wreath with red poinsettias and white bulbs. Carmen, I love seeing this one in red. And number 5, my last project and most popular Christmas pieces, is the giant crystal ornaments. CeCe made the beautiful crystal tower and accented it with sparkling blue lights. CeCe, I really love the light touch of pastel colors you added in this piece. Viola made the crystal towers and the leaded wreath for her new home and got compliments from all her neighbors. And look at this, Rosie added a big beautiful white bouquet to her crystal tower. She created a huge assortment of giant crystal ornaments. And wow, just look at the incredible job she did on her giant colored ornaments. Rosie, these turned out awesome and just perfect. And oh my God, look at this. Norman, this is beautiful. I love how your topiary goes from large at the bottom to a point at the top. What a great use of those small bows in between and that champagne glass right above to finish it off. It is perfectly lit from the inside. Norman, this is so classy and elegant. And finally, Jennifer. I could have sworn I made these pieces myself. Jennifer, you followed the instructions to the T and everything turned out so beautiful. Wasn't that amazing? You guys are so talented. Thank you so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate seeing the work that you send me. It really makes what I do worthwhile because it really shows that I've done a good job because you guys are right on point. You've really nailed it. So I really appreciate you sending me work. I look forward to sharing new projects with you this year, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with them. So I'm wishing you all a beautiful, happy, prosperous new year and many more to come. So until the next video, I'll see you next time. Hey guys, I just added new items to my Etsy store with free shipping. And if you need more detailed instructions on some of these projects, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page where you can pick up my multi-surface acrylic metallic paint back in stock with 8 beautiful shimmering colors. You can mix millions of colors and create endless home beauty for indoor and outdoor projects. And while you're there, pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1 with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored, step-by-step instruction book. On my Amazon page, you'll see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies used on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast and easy shopping and delivery convenience of Amazon. I'll be working every day to make crafting fun and easy for you. Follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV on all social media for extra home, food, and gardening tips.